Hi there, and welcome to this training video on adding new users in Enterprise. My name is Orla from Enterprise, and today I'm going to show you how to add your new users and set their permissions. So let's get you started so you can get them started. In Enterprise, go to the top right to Settings, and then to User Settings. In here you can see a list of all your current users where you can update their permissions or you can add in your new users. To add a new user, go to the plus on the left and enter information such as their first name, their second name, and their email address. For user type, you can select whether to make them an admin, an expense approver if they'll be approving other users' expenses, or you can leave this blank. You can further copy permissions from other users to save you having to set them up. To do this, click on Copy Permissions and select the user you would like to copy permissions from. Once you're happy with all the information here, you can save your new user. Your user will have now received an email to log into the system, and you can further edit their permissions by clicking on the OK. In the permissions screen, you can edit some of their company data access, such as whether they have access to all, my, or none for customers, suppliers, documents, and activities. So for example, I may want my user to have access to their own customers, so my only customers, whereas I want them to have access to all documents in my company. You can also give access to certain modules and their areas, such as sales quotes, sales orders, or purchase deliveries. If I want to revoke this access, I just need to untick this and save for my new user. Further, I can also give read and write access to the items module. Once I give access to items, I will be given the option where the user has read only, where they can only look up items and their details, or full access, where they can also edit and add new items. Once I have all the permissions set for my user, simply click on Save to apply the new permissions. For more information about the system, be sure to check out some of our other training videos or visit our help centre at help.enterprise.com. You can also chat to a member of the team by clicking on the chat button on the bottom right, which also has easy access to our Enterprise Help Centre. Thanks for watching.